Hi, if you're looking for an alternative to Overloop, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a LinkedIn automation tool that costs 10 times less and gets the job done just as well. It's a tool called Bindago. The URL to the website is bindago.com. I'm going to leave a link to it in the comments. And to get started, you basically want to come to the website and click the download button to download the app on your computer. The app only works on the computer, so you have to download it. There's a free trial that allows you to use the app for free for 10 days, so you don't need to enter your credit card or anything. So we're gonna get started by clicking either the start free trial or the download. I already have the app on my computer, but in your case, you want to select a platform that applies to you and download the app and install it. And once you're done installing it, you're gonna see a login screen looking like this. And what you want to do is basically click login with browser. It will load up a browser with LinkedIn, and then you just want to enter your credentials and log in to your LinkedIn account. And once that is done, it's going to load up the app looking like this. And what we want to do here is we want to automate lead generation. So we want to automate LinkedIn connection requests and send basically automate a set of actions, send connection requests, view a profile, like a post, and once they accept our request, we're going to send messages to them. And to do that, we're going to come to the campaigns section here and create campaign. And we want to name the campaign, say, SaaS leads campaign or something, right? So the next thing we want to do is we want to select a source of our leads. So if you have a Sales Navigator account, you could, you could basically plug your lead list to this. So you could use Sales Navigator list as your source, and then you select your lead list, right? If you do not have a Sales Navigator account, then you can use other options. Like you can upload a CSV, you can use a LinkedIn search URL. So basically, if you use a search URL, it's gonna pick the leads from the search URL result page. In this case, for the purpose of this, I'm just gonna stick with Sales Navigator lead list and select a list here. And we're gonna now run through the steps. So for the first step, I want to view profile. And the next step, and this is gonna run 5 minutes after the first step, we're gonna send connection request. And the connection message could say hello, first name, I see we both have, so we can also add if we have, so if the lead is a second degree connection away from you, you can insert a mutual connection's first name, right? So you could do this. I see we both have their first name in our network, would love to connect. And then the next step, we want to send a message, and this would only run after they accept the request. And maybe we want to run it 2 days after the previous step and say, hello, thank you for connecting with me. Are you currently looking for solutions in recruitment automation? And we can also add another step to say maybe run if they didn't respond to the first one. So we can run this 3 days after the previous one, and say hello, I didn't get, is this something you are looking for? Just sending this follow-up since you didn't reply my last message. right? And so if they respond to this message, this one wouldn't go through, right? It would just basically remove them from the list. Just with this short, campaign setup, we can start the campaign. So I just say create campaign, and then it starts running, right? As it starts running, you can see them from the first step, and it would basically progress and add them to the next steps as it goes through the actions, right? So I hope you find this useful. If you have any questions about the tool, just leave a question in the comments and I'll be happy to reply. Cheers.